Okay, Blazer, how do you use Udemy courses to learn programming? How did you do that? Like, there are so many people who use Udemy courses. And another topic which I want to talk about is don't become a Udemy developer. Okay. Okay. And I
Yes.
wanted to ask you, like, when you say I use Udemy courses, or people say I use Udemy courses, I don't even I can't imagine how they use it because I've never used any Udemy course like from the beginning to the end because I just started something, watched some specific chapters, and then that's it. But what I do is I see it, and then I know it exists, and then I can use it as well. But I only can do that because I have previous experience and know how to code, right? But how
Yeah.
does somebody do that with no experience? Like, I I want to learn programming now. I've never done it before. I buy a Udemy course. I sit down. How do I do this? How do I process this Udemy course? Or how did you do that?
Okay. Yeah. I think I have an idea or like previous experience on that. So first thing you need to research what you want. At least for me, when I started, I wanted to make an app, but I didn't know you had to do iOS. And I wanted to make an app, mobile app. I didn't know you had to do iOS and Android separately. And my mentor told me that. I remember the first 2 weeks or first week, I was watching a course on YouTube, like a short playlist with Kotlin. And after a while, I had another talk with my friend, my mentor, and we were discussing on like what I was hoping to do, what I could use, what I should use. And he said, since you want to make an app and you don't really kind of want to invest time learning two languages, it's gonna be kind of a waste of time if you have limited time. So he showed me, oh, there's this new thing that Google is building, which is Flutter. And I went and researched about Flutter, found all the resources. And I don't remember how, but I got to know Udemy. And I went to Udemy and I found Angela U. I went through the course, like I was looking what's in the course, the description and all. And I saw, yeah, it makes sense, interesting. It's supported by Google, so it's something I could trust. So I bought the course. And when you buy the course, you should make sure do not buy more than one. If you buy two, stop there. Don't buy any more until you finish the first one.
Don't
A
be
lot of people
greedy.
buy yeah, don't be greedy. A lot of people buy courses like I don't know why and how, but man, please
Like, I
do
buy
yourself a
NFTs.
favor. Yeah, do yourself a favor, yourself in your wallet. Buy one, stick to that. Don't just finish the course, devour the course. After that, practice what you learn again and again.
Yeah, but
And then,
if the
yeah,
course is really bad, but you don't know if it's bad, and you simply can't follow it because they assume so much pre-knowledge which you don't have, of course you should change the course.
yeah, okay, there's I would say people need to read. Like, if
Yeah,
the course kind of says, yeah, it's not for beginners, yeah, you probably don't buy that. But if say it's
yeah,
for beginners
read.
and somehow you feel, yeah, it feels like, yeah, this is way too advanced. Either you really don't know anything yet, and you need to invest more time, or you should research more or find references from people who already did this. Like, for example, for me, I could say, if you want to start with Flutter, go to Angela Yu, and then I took the course from Maximilian. Those are really good for people who are starting out. Some people do Maximilian first, then Angela. People like me, I did Angela, then Maximilian. Yeah, so research. That's what you need to do. Research, read, inform yourself, and make a decision. Make a decision, not decisions. By
Yeah,
that
make
I
a
mean
decision and
buy,
make it good.
yeah. By that I mean buy a course, not courses. You can buy the other ones after you're done with the first one.
Okay, okay. Thank you for that one. Actually, I mean that's good to know as well. But actually, I also wanted to know, like, when you have a course already, like, how do you use it? Like, you watch the video and just lean back and that's it, or do something else. But let's catch up in the next one.